Hey guys, it's Liz here from the Nail Hub, and I am super excited to be filming here in my newly reorganized studio. I've been working really hard on getting this set up. I actually used to film in a really tiny corner of this room, and I've reorganized everything, got some stuff out. I'm still missing my paper backdrops, but most importantly, I'm excited about what the reorganization of this studio means for you. Today is a very exciting announcement day. I've got something very special to share with all of you. And I've been working really hard on some new educational projects because I know you guys are hungry for that. A big part of what I do with the Nail Hub is I represent very specialty gel nail brands, I educate with their product, and I sell their product. But I think product can only take you guys so far. It's also something that comes with a lot of restrictions based on the way that our manufacturers have set up their businesses. And I think it's something that sometimes is cost prohibitive for people to participate in. I know you guys love my content and I know you guys are always trying to find ways to support me. So I appreciate all of you who have taken my classes and purchased product from us, but I've got something that I think is going to apply to more of you and actually take your education and your nail journey truly to the next level, even beyond product purchases. With all the education and content I've done across social media for the last several years, one of the biggest asks I've had from all of my loyal subscribers is to have a place that's more of a community. That was something that we went through when I did my education project last spring, almost exactly a year ago. We did an amazing 6-week online live education program that is now the Gel Nail Basics and Chemistry course that I offer on my website. It was an amazing experience to go through. We had hundreds and hundreds of students from all over the world take this education with me, and I have gotten nothing but rave reviews about the information that you learned, how you've been able to utilize that in your different levels of education, and all of the different things that you guys are doing now after that educational experience. But one of the things that truly came out of that project was people asking me to create more of a community so that people could interact with one another, people could interact with me. So I took all of that feedback and I've created what I think is going to truly provide an amazing community platform for all of you who love my education and want to double down on it. So I've created the nailhub.tv. This is a brand new private platform that is going to allow me to take all of this education to the next level. And the coolest thing about it is that it's going to allow you to have more direct access to me as your educator. The nailhub.tv is going to be the new home for all of my amazing digital content. And we're going to kick off the nailhub.tv with a project I've been working on for several months. The Nail Audit is my brand new education program that I cannot wait for you guys to participate in. What the Nail Audit is the ability for you guys to submit specific troubleshooting issues that you are dealing with, or even just questions about a brand you're curious about or a topic you're interested in. You're going to be able to submit that directly to me, also with the ability to support that question with videos or pictures, and I'm going to make a specific video to answer your question, and we're going to share that with the community so that everybody can learn from one another. This is super cool. It's basically user-generated content inspired videos that are going to help answer questions that I know a lot of you have. This is also going to be part of this private community that I'm building so that you guys feel like you belong to a group of people that are like-minded, interested in gel nail education, support one another inside of an inclusive environment, and it doesn't matter where you are on your nail care journey. You could be a working professional trying to figure out how to solve problems or choose products for your clientele. You could be an amateur enthusiast who's just trying to figure out how to enjoy nail care at home. You could be an interested client who's looking for more education about how to get the most out of your salon visits or how to choose the right salon for your services. Or you might be a beauty school student who's looking to supplement your education as you prepare to graduate. I truly believe that education should be universal and it should be something that is accessible to everybody who enjoys nail care. It's also something that allows you to maximize your potential, maximize the value in your products, and allows you to flourish in this industry instead of feeling like you're being held back. And because the nailhub.tv is going to be my private Nail Hub universe, it allows me to do what I want to do for you guys. I am so excited about being able to take off a lot of the restrictions that I've been dealing with when creating content online or doing what I do with the nailhub.com. And for those of you that are curious about how I'm going to keep forward with my other social media and my YouTube channel, I'm going to use YouTube as the place I'm going to post all of my brand specific and product specific tutorials, education, and product information. And this is going to really partner well with the nailhub.com. I also personally believe that anytime you're selling a product or recommending a product to somebody and the ultimate goal is to sell that item to that person, that the education inherent in teaching someone how to be successful with that product should basically be free or should be completely free. The education that really drives your knowledge base and helps you be more successful with your techniques and your application skills, that is the stuff that I think should actually be more in a private premium environment so that you can get the most out of it no matter where you are and whether or not you're deciding to purchase product from our website. The two things I think are going to really play off of one another really well because it's going to foster those of you who are just looking for education. Maybe you've already invested a bunch in product and you're kind of tapped out on that. I know things are really expensive right now, so I wanted to provide something that is affordable to everybody, but also allows you to continue your nail care journey, continue to help you be successful, and allows you to, more importantly, belong to an inclusive place that's going to support your passion that nails is for you. And I get goosebumps just even thinking about how powerful this could be. I'm so excited to have more of this ability to make you guys feel like you belong to something special. This nailhub.tv platform is going to allow me to do all of that and more. Can't wait to see you guys inside of the nailhub.tv, and I'll be in touch with more updates soon. Bye guys.